All right, all right, all right. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is about that time. O como se dice, ya llegó la hora. Bienvenidos a todos, damas y caballeros. DJ, give me a beat. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this beautiful place. My name is MC Turbo, and I have my man on the 1 and 2, Mega DJ. So now, we are Noches de Fiesta, your entertainment for the night. Any suggestions, any special songs that you would like to hear, please approach myself or my DJ and the ladies on the phone. Okay. And we will play the song just for you. Bueno. Without further ado, we have to get the party started. DJ, give me a beat. Vamos a calentar, como se dice, ¿no? Todo el mundo levante las manos hacia arriba. Vamos. Al ritmo de la canción. Right here. Bueno. Ricardo, what do you think? The energy level? No mucho? What do you think? Okay, DJ, stop. We have to go to plan B. Porque la primera canción, creo que la gente necesita un poquito más de ánimo, como se dice, ¿no? Let's turn it up! That's right. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's try this again. Here we go. Ready? To the beat. Okay. Everyone. Eso. Mira. Hey, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Hey. So, now that's what I'm talking about, baby. We gotta celebrate tonight. Esta noche, como se dice, ¿no? Everybody on this side of the room, una bulla! Everybody on this side, make some noise! Yeah, that was all you. Mega, that's what's up. I got on this side, make some noise, the lady goes, I love you! No, that's okay, that's what we need, baby, that's what we need. Here we go. Bueno. Ladies and gentlemen, man, have everyone's attention facing the double doors. And that's not it. Okay. Hey, what's up, buddy? How you doing? Okay. Bueno. Damas y caballeros, vamos a comenzar primeramente a invitar a nuestros padrinos. Damas y caballeros, necesito la energía de todos, por favor. We need everybody's energy, because we gotta turn it up. Coming up first, damas y caballeros, tenemos a nuestros padrinos de bautismo y confirmación. Un aplauso para Ana y Orlando Ortiz. ¡Eso! A continuación, quisiera pedir a todos que se pongan de pie, por favor. Ladies and gentlemen, everyone please rise. Pero señor, no lo diga así. Esto es lo que escuché. Hombre. Bueno, damas y caballeros, I have some two special people coming up now. I need everyone to make a louder noise. Damas y caballeros, los padres de Ashley, María y Austin.
Yo tengo una novia vieja que se
coming up, we have Melissa and Kevin.
Vamos a darle a esto. Si tú estás molesto, sácalo. Porque no tengo malo que te quede eso. Que te guste para que le roba un beso. Baila con moviendo tu cuerpo, dale duro y el corazón se...
Coming up next, ladies and gentlemen, we have Gisela and Victor.
Yeah, bikini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes, love to feed the village in Liberia. TMZ, taking pictures, call that my exterior. Mama see me all BT, I'm tearing up.
Victor, slow down, Victor, slow down. Man, did you see that? Victor vino así. No, my man, you gotta take your time. Come here. No, you gotta take your time. You gotta slow down, you know, enjoy the moment. Enjoy the moment. You guys wanna see it again? Yeah, we wanna see it again. Pero, Victor, despacio. Relax. Okay, here we go. Oh my God, I gotta do this again. Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from New York City, please put your hands together for Gisela and Victor!
Bikini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes, love to feed the village in Liberia. TMZ, taking pictures, call that my exterior. Mama see me all BT.
Okay. Now, please on the hard one. Coming up next, ladies and gentlemen, we have Stephanie and Jonathan! Did you like that intro? Okay, so let me tell you something. Cuando entró Víctor entró y hizo así. Y más todavía. Y usted vino. So come on, man. You know we have 1,000 people watching. I just need you to celebrate with us. Can we try that one more time? I swear I won't bother you again. Come on, let's go. Come on, you guys. Come on, this is a party. You can't do that. Come on. I'm getting tired of this. All right, so now we have to edit this so many times. Oh boy. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Stephanie and Jonathan. Rochelle and Martin!
Money fall on you, banana fall on you, brother fall on you, 'cause I'm in love with you. Money fall on you, banana fall on you, paparazzi fall on you.
Ladies and gentlemen, coming up next we have Jennifer! Please put your hands together for Jennifer! Oh, Jennifer! Coming up next, ladies and gentlemen, bueno. So now, ladies and gentlemen, I have your attention to the big double doors because this is our main event. This is the reason that we're all getting here tonight, everybody. So, without further ado, here comes our beautiful guest of honor, Ashley, being escorted by Nigel. Un aplauso! Ashley, come here for a second, come here. Damas y caballeros, una bulla! Slow down. Everybody over here, make some noise! Woo! Look at, let's go in the back, let's go in the back. So they can see your beautiful dress. Look. Everybody say hi! Wow, look at her! Woo! Be careful, be careful. Wow, the dress is beautiful. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, un aplauso para esta linda familia. Damas y caballeros, pueden tomar sus asientos, por favor. No me olvido, porque se no me olvidó. Ok, los padres, por favor, que vayan primero, los padres, los padres, Señor, los padres, por favor, que vayan. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the very proud parents. A este momento vamos a invitar a su mamá que le ponga la corona a su hija. Por favor, le vamos a entregar la corona. Un aplauso, por favor. This is a special moment where mom gets to place the crown as a tradition in our Latin history. Un aplauso para su mamá, que le está colocando una corona muy linda. Y en este momento vamos a invitar a los padrinos, Ana y Orlando, para que le hagan el regalo del anillo. Orlando y Ana, por favor, al centro. Un aplauso, damas y caballeros, para que le den el regalo del anillo. Ok, una foto con todos, And now, Ashley, show everybody the ring. Show. Oh, wow. Pueden tomar asientos, los padrinos pueden tomar asientos. Y este momento es un momento muy especial donde va a venir su papá, que le va a cambiar los zapatos. Damas y caballeros, un aplauso, por favor, porque este es el momento que el Señor está esperando. Y le va a cambiar las zapatillas. Menos mal que no viniste con chancletas. Bueno. fiesta que tuve, la niña entró con chancletas. But not today, not Ashley, no. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Dad. Changing the shoes. Le está cambiando los zapatos su papá. Es algo que le está esperando por mucho tiempo. We have two very, very proud parents. Una foto con los padres. Aww. Everybody say aww. Bueno, vamos a continuar, damas y caballeros. Este es el momento donde los padres le van a llevar a su hija alrededor de la pista, que es una presentación al público. Mom, usted también. Let's go. Mom and Dad. Mom and Dad. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our beautiful guest of honor. As we do this, we call this the presentation. Un aplauso. For our beautiful guest of honor. And now, vamos a continuar, damas y caballeros, con nuestro oficial primer baile. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to continue our formalities with our first official dance, which is the father-daughter dance. Damas y caballeros, un aplauso por favor. Y vamos a empezar el primer baile.
Pues
Damas y caballeros, un aplauso. Oh, para su papá y a su hermano. Y ahora vamos a continuar a invitar a su mamá a la pista de baile. Señora, un aplauso, por favor. Una canción muy linda y especial que se llama No Crezcas Más. Oh my God, necesito servilleta porque I love this song. Need some tissues.
Y pensar que te cargaba en mis brazos el día de ayer, tan rápido, ya 15 años no puede ser. Recordar toda la alegría que me has traído y mirar en el ser hermoso que te has convertido, como si de arriba me dieron de paso, como un regalo que no merecí, como si jamás te me marcharas. Ojalá pudiese pedirte que ya, por favor, no crezcas más. Y tal vez no sepas que yo me levanto por ti, que a veces si te falta algo no puedo dormir, que me asusta como el mundo vive.
Oiga, damas y caballeros, un aplauso, por favor. Para su mamá. Una canción muy linda, muy linda, muy linda. Bueno, vamos a continuar con... Vamos a invitar a la corte para que hagan su baile especial. So ladies and gentlemen, we have the court that has a special presentation for you guys. They have the waltz. Un aplauso, por favor, para la corte.
Windows out your car, and no, it didn't mend my broken heart. I'll probably always have these ugly scars, but right now I don't care about that part. I bust the windows out your car after I saw you laying next to her. I didn't wanna, but I took my turn. I'm glad I did it 'cause you had to burn. I must admit it helped a little bit to think of how you feel when you saw it. I didn't know that I had that much strength, but I'm glad to see what happens when you see you can't just blame people for feelings. Tell them you love them, man, don't mean it. You're probably saying that it was you, but now, but I think that I deserve to smile. I bust the windows out your car. You know the day I left my heart, wrote my initials with the crocodile.
Damas y caballeros, un aplauso. Bailando tango. You guys look good, you guys look good. Pueden tomar asiento todos, damas y caballeros. ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated as we have the staff coming around to take your dinner orders.
Damas y caballeros, por favor, manténganse sentados porque van a venir a continuar a tomarle sus órdenes.
Amazing job. Awesome job. Fellas, good job. So I need you guys to do me a favor. On a count of three, I want you guys to go. Just give me a little edit, a little part. Quick, short, quick. All of you. Come on, all of you. We got this. Yeah? With me? Ready? Una, dos, tres. Hey! You guys rock. Awesome job.
I thought that I've been hurt before, but no one's ever left me quite this sore. Your words cut deeper than a knife. Now I need someone to breathe me back to life. Got a feeling that I'm going under, but I know that I'll make it out alive if I quit calling you my lover and move on. You watch me fade until I can't breathe, shaking, falling onto my knees, and now that I'm without your kisses, I've been needing stitches, tripping over myself, aching, begging you to come out. And now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches. Just like a moth drawn to a flame. Oh, you lured me in, I couldn't sense the pain. Your bitter heart cold to the touch. Now I'm gonna reap what I sow. I'm left seeing red on my own. Got a feeling that I'm going under, but I know that I'll make it out alive if I quit calling you my lover and move on. You watch me fade until I can't breathe, shaking, falling onto my knees, and now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches, tripping over myself, aching, begging you to come out. And now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches. Needle in the thread, gotta get you out of my head. Needle in the thread, gonna wind up dead. Needle in the thread, gotta get you out of my head. Needle in the thread, gonna wind up dead. Needle in the thread, gotta get you out of my head. Needle in the thread, gonna wind up dead. Needle in the thread, gotta get you out of my head. Get you out of my head. You watch me shaking, falling onto my knees, falling down. Your kisses, I'll be needing stitches, myself, aching, begging you to come out, begging please. Your kisses, I'll be needing stitches, without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches, without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches. I found